Okay, I'm ready to weave in all my ends. So we do this on the wrong side of our work, and we take our tapestry needle and thread every tail through there. Now you might think, oh wow, how am I going to get through all those ends? But it's actually quite quick when you've got the Icord edge on your blanket. So I've got my tail, I'm just going to get a little bit closer to that edge. Just pick up a little stitch there, pull it through, and then I'm just going to go into that. You know how the Icord edge sort of creates a tube, and just go up the inside a little way with that tail, and then come out somewhere, pull it off, stretch it out like that. So that's the tail I've just woven through, so you can't see it on the right side. And then I'm just going to snip it quite close there, pull it so that it disappears into there. Might need to snip it a little bit more. Yeah, there you go, it's gone. So let's do another one. So I've got another tail. Just kind of squeeze the wool so it flattens to get it through the needle. And then this one is really close to the edge, so that's why we change yarn at the edge, go up through the tube or the I-cord again, up to there. There's another one, pull the needle off, stretch it out, snip close to the edge, gone. Okay, one more. Squeeze your yarn, thread it through the eye of the tapestry needle, and then again we're going to go up through the I-cord edge, pull it through like so, take my needle off, stretch it out, snip, gone. Okay, so we're going to go through and do that with all of our ends until we're all tidy, and you'll have a perfect looking blanket.